Hey guys, it's Talon's food review, and we're gonna talk about today some Dole's gelatin strawberry stuff. It looks nice. Let's get to it. I like the way it opens. I got my spoon, and let's dig in. Oh, great sounds. Well, that's really good. It's really full of flavor. I like the amount of fruit and strawberry gelatin in it, and I think it was really worth it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say that food was about a 9 out of 10. Until next time, that's Talon Food Review, and have a great rest of your day. Bye. Okay, thanks guys for watching the video, and if you want to see more crap like that, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Adios!